Myself, Dr. Sanjay P. Shukla, a consulting homeopath. I am always eager to understand homeopathy at more and more deeper level and correlated the same with other sciences. As homeopathy is based on nature's law of cure, that is similia similibus curantur, that is like cure like, which is quite similar to Newton's third law of motion, that is every action has an equal and opposite reactions. Considering this law as the base, when we examine the human body, we find that the basic unit of human body is cell, and these cells consist of various cell organelles like cell membrane, which is the outer covering of the cell, a double membrane composed of lipid and protein present both in plant and animal cell, provide the shape, protect the inner organelles of the cell and act as a selective permeable membrane. Centrosome composed of centrioles and found only in animal cell. It play a major role in organizing the microtubules and cell divisions. Cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance which consists of water, dissolved nutrient and waste product of the cell. It responsible for the cell metabolic activity. Endoplasmic reticulum, a network of membranous tubules present within the cytoplasm of the cell. It forms the structure framework of the cell, involved in the detoxifications, productions of lipid and protein. Golgi apparatus, membrane bound sac-like organelles present within the cytoplasms of the eukaryotic cell. It is mainly involved in secretions and intracellular transport. Lysosomes, a tiny cellular shaped single membrane bound organelles filled with digestive enzymes, help in the digestions and remove waste and digest dead and damaged cell. Therefore, it also called as suicidal bags. Mitochondria, a oval shaped membrane bound organelles, also called as a powerhouse of the cell. The main site of cellular respirations and also involved in storing energy in the form of ATP molecules. Nucleus, a large double membrane bound organelles which contain all the cell genetic informations. Control the activity of the cell, help in cell divisions and control the hereditary character. Peroxisome, a membrane bound cellular organelles present in the cytoplasm which contain the reducing enzymes involving in metabolisms of lipid and catabolisms of long chain fatty acids. Ribosomes, non-membrane organelles found floating freely in the cell cytoplasms or embedded within the endoplasmic reticulum, involved in the synthesis of protein. Considering the function of these organelles of cell, which can be broadly classified into three types based on their function, that is protection, production and destruction. Protection, for example, cell membrane has protective function for the cell. And production, the DNA has ability to produce, and in the destructions, lysosomes are destructive in nature. as we compare these three functions with homeopathic myism, SORA is considered to be as protections and psychosis is productions and syphilis is destructions. In further video, we are going to correlate this more in the deeper level with other things in the body.